Shokeriankado, His Excellency the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na munini wawe Deputy President nontu bakona ibu wega tumba kwithira twina position ya Deputy Whip ki National Parliament Honorable Mauka Maure waumite within county yetu ya Meru. Hii position powerful. Hii position yote ya kuhakikisha agenda cha serikali ni kuomba weta through na itoko wish Honorable Mauka Maure the very best. We congratulate him na tumwira kanya kau na kayukie kaeka kuwatani ya Meru kwa bareta amwe na kwa kuhakikisha the big four agenda ya serikali ikuomba kudia tika sawa kienda tumba kuona matunda ya maingi ya serikali na ito kwenda kuira His Excellency the President na munini yokie the Deputy President tuweta na mbele na support the Jubilee government, particularly to realize the big four agenda na also tuena a lot of interest kiri the agenda ya BBI ira President atu confirmire taturi atongeria ba Jubilee ati ikethira ikieta na mbere na tuena interest particularly non to change zira ili anticipated kana change zira kierekerete kubuitwa ni the president kana parliament na through a referendum change zikethira kina impact positive particularly ki our devolved governments tumbe kuona mbete nyingi ikiongelwa chia ki counties na chita ki waandishi yetu na tumba kuona more involvement across the entire country kenda kwenda more unity. So we are in support na tuweta na mbele na kueligira mantu ya maingi na ya manene ya kiri antubentu na mashinani. Onikira the new Deputy Whip Honorable Mauka Maure na yuke kanya kabomba kwithira akiwatanithia kana bakiwatanira na antu bonde batibati kuru
maitho makwa mbitagwa John Kireria MC Wegogist Ward kambuge narua turi Meru tukwigua kia majority kia Jubilee kikura changes na Nairobi onde ntekane member wa Jubilee I'm an independent candidate na mbuga kinya in future ora twititende na ndena biama kaba kwithwa kinyori independent than kwirori ni any party nuntu uri ni any party ni kuonania undictator baba Kenya utumba kwaria mind yeku kinya utatagira antu baku kana antu ba wondi kana ba constituency yeku nuntu weta against the party ni kwa discipline kinya ndabukuthithirua